But don't you think it's unfair that you play a team sport where the captain goes and receives the trophy? So that itself is it's like an overexposure. Of course, we all love the celebration and you want to be part of it, but it's not like you have to be with the trophy. If you don't spend enough time with the trophy, you get a chance or you want to win another one so that you get those another 15 seconds with you. But I feel it was the overexposure part where, it's a whole team that has done well. It's not up to one individual, and once you receive it, you let others in.
Like when I started cricket, it was for fun. I used to play tennis ball cricket. It was mostly for fun. Every day you go, you compete, you learn, you come back. Next day again, 4 o'clock you go. And if you have lost the other day, you want to win that next day. So I feel equally frustrated. I also feel angry at times. I feel disappointed. But what is important is none of these are constructive. What needs to be done right now is more important than any of these emotions. So being honest is one of the most important things. To start off, being honest to yourself. Unless you are honest to yourself, you can't be honest to others. And what it also does is, it helps you in accepting what the shortcomings are. If you're willing to accept the shortcomings, you can always look to improve. You can go to people, you can ask for help, and there'll be people to guide you out. Whether it's your seniors, whether it's your parents, close friends, whoever those may be. And I always felt all these things really helped me keep moving ahead in life.
Hard work that you have to put, irrespective of what your profession is. The hard work, the honesty, respecting the elders, which I feel is the key. If you don't respect the elders, be it your parents or be it anyone, it becomes very difficult to be successful in life. Being humble, try to be, when you enter, let's say, any big building, right from the first man you meet to maybe the managing director, you have to be the same to each and everyone. So period of time when I was the captain was, a lot of times I used to think this is common sense. No, there's nothing called common sense. You think, oh, I don't need to say it. A lot of times you're like, अरे ये तो बताने की चीज नहीं है, but in a team environment you need to say it. Because there will be a few who are intelligent, who know, and they'll be like, ये क्या बोल रहा है, ज़रूरत नहीं है. It's not for them, they can figure out. It's for the person who doesn't understand. But it's very bad to address it to only one person, because then he knows, अच्छा ये मुझे ही बोल रहा है.